In this video, we will learn how to use different page number formats in the same Word document file. For example, we have a title page and a disclaimer page and table of contents. We want to use Roman numbers in their as their page numbers, and in the main report after the first three page, from the fourth page we want to use our regular numbers like 1 2 3, as you can see here. To do this, first you need to add a page break. So in order to do that, uh, you you have to select the page after which the you will another type of uh, number format will appear. For example, for our case here, after the third page, after this page, a new number format will appear like 1 2 3. So we want to click in the third page, at the last line of the third page. We want to click there and then go to layout tab, and in the layout tab we need to go to breaks. From the breaks we need to select next page. Okay, so upon selecting the next page, a new section will be created. So now in this document we have two sections. The first section contains first three pages, and the next section 2, contains the following pages from page 4, from introduction to the last page. From introduction to references we have the second section. Then after creating the new section, we need to go to insert. From the insert tab, there is a tab named header and footer. From the header and footer sub tab, we need to select the page number tab. From the drop down menu of page number, we need to select the format page number and then select the number format of Roman 1 2 3. Other settings will be as it is. Then we have to select OK. After selecting that, we'll get this type of page numbers like 1 2 3. Then if we go to the introduction page, we'll see that there is a number 4 here. To change that, we need to select the footer and then go to page number, format page number format will be 1 2 3. We need to select start at and give 1, and then we have to select OK. Then we'll get this setting.